is about our young people. It's about making sure that our young people who, when they leave school, actually have opportunities for employment, education, or actually training so that they get jobs. So we're asking you as employers to help us gather the information we need to match up our young people with jobs and with the kind of training that they need to get into the kind of jobs that you're offering. We want the young people of Whanganui to be able to contribute, to be happy and to be content to actually stay here in Whanganui. And we can do that if we follow them once they leave school, and with your help we can find positions for them. So I hope you'll complete this survey for us and help us in our goal of looking after the young people of Whanganui.